Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add Grammarly in Google Docs. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up your preferred web browser and make sure to add in your Grammarly extension on your web browser. Simply go ahead and type in Grammarly extension into the search box and search. If you are using Edge like mine, you can simply click on the Get from Edge add-on stores and you'll be taken to the Microsoft Edge store, from where you can easily add the Grammarly extension. Now, as soon as you end up in this page, click the Get button in order to bring this pop-up. Click on Add Extension in the pop-up and it'll be able to download the extension for Grammarly on your web browser. Now, once your extension has been downloaded, you'll be taken to this new page and it'll ask you to sign up or log into your Grammarly account. If you don't have an account, enter a valid email address and go ahead and follow through the registration process. If you already have an account, click on I have an account at the top and enter your email address in the text box. After you are done entering your email address, click continue. Enter your password on the next field and click sign in. Now, once you are logged into your Grammarly account, go and open up Google Docs on a new tab. Go and log into your google.com account and in the waffle menu at the top right after logging in, click on Doc. This will now open up your Google Docs. Go ahead and open up any project and go to the top right and click the three dots. Click on Extension and select Grammarly extension in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, the Grammarly for Edge extension will be activated. Now you can see that your Grammarly is now active. Now you can go ahead and use Grammarly for Google Docs projects. That is how it can be done. In order to know if Grammarly is working on your Google Docs, you'll be able to see your name highlighted in green right on your sentence over here, and also you should be able to see the Grammarly icon available at the bottom right. That is how you can easily add Grammarly in Google Docs and use it on the project that you're working on. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.